wet enough to actually fall off, but it doesn't. It's quite deceiving. So therefore, you can get it to go around the reinforcing quite nicely rather than having in what you normally would have to have it drier to actually stay there without sagging.
Right.
And like what the guys have just said about the brooming, rough coating it, you normally have to wait a lot longer, eh, Paul?
You normally wait, otherwise you just pull it off.
Yeah.
Or you have to wet your broom. You know, you've got to wait and wet your broom, but he's just able to, it's just holding up.
Straight away.
Normally I think we'd be happy to dry that up.
So therefore we're definitely saving a heap of time. You can kind of finish the job.
Oh, and it's just easier to do, because you're using softer, easier plaster that would normally fall out. And it's like less work on your arm and everything, and it's staying on there. It's not just falling off.
See, that's not even pulling off like
No.
it normally would.
And he's not even wetting the broom or anything.